Well, today you guys get to see us do chores. It is not a normal day, to say the least. Ooh, I should have done this inside the house. Yep, so today we gotta do a little bit extra things. Not normal for chores daily. So if you're thinking about getting animals, just know, days like this, when you have to go to work, or maybe if you're like me, I took today off because, well, honestly, the drifts are just too damn bad to get to work and it's more of a risk. So, took the day off, but these animals need extra care. Chickens and goats is what we have. And, well, you gotta get in there and clear paths for them. I think I got these things tied up. What am I, backwards, guys? I feel like I'm backwards.
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
All right, let's get this garage door closed so it won't fill the hole. Oh, man, right in the face. Oh man, look at this. It is not fun. You lost all your snow. All right. It's not a bad snow. It's like not too deep. It's just the wind. It's just blowing like you wouldn't believe. Everything's got to get dug out. Yeah, we got to get their food indoors. Oh, looks like someone made an attempt to come out and see what was going on. I see a duck butt. Yeah, them girls are saying, what is going on? What do you think, bud? Should we just put the feed right here, or should we stick it inside?
Probably right here.
Right there? All right, let's get it set up. Maybe we'll go check this water, make sure it's good to go. We got to shovel this out. Hey, we're not frozen. What do you guys think about that? Maybe I'll show you a video on making one of these waters so we can check the water from the house whenever it gets low. All right, let's check the water here. Make sure we're good to go. Oh yeah, we're good on that front. Just filled it up. Oh. Whew.
I don't know what I just felt.
You fell on a pallet into the duck water.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, it's frozen.
Yeah.
Nothing to worry about. What's going on in here? Oh, they're toasty. We are nice and toasty. Whoa, you are fluffed up, girl. Hey, don't be ducking around, all right? Don't be ducking around. You got a lot of stuff going on. Woo! Coming in hot. I'm thinking we might have to get some insulation and cut him and start plugging this stuff up.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, so we're supposed to be like, what? Yeah, I don't know how negative though. I think minus 15.
Yeah.
Supposed to be like minus 15 here in the next day or two. So you always want a well ventilated coop, which we have plenty of ventilation, but it's gonna be windy. Wind chills are gonna be a big factor. So to avoid frostbite, we'll have to fix the draft in here. Yeah, you got a little bit right there. That's about it, right up on top. See that black spot?
Yeah.
But other than that, oh, well then. Okay. Well, you guys are all shoveled out.
You know the egg?
All right.
Do you have any installation?
Yeah, we do. We got a roll of it in the shop. We'll have to cut up some squares. We'll cut up some squares and stick them up in there. Oh no. When you got feed, see the mice? You might as well put them in the chicken coop. There's one right by your foot too. Oh, here. Go throw them in the
Fat.
throw them in the coop. Oops. Yeah. There you go.
They're so squirmy.
They are squirmy.
Oh, snap.
What?
That you can just snatch that mice.
Yeah, well, that's why we put them in there.
I've never seen it happen before.
Hello. Oh, nope, didn't make it in. Sorry, I got a call from work, but we're in the shop now. We're gonna cut some leftover insulation from the project from insulating the shop here. We're gonna stick those in the pockets.
Oh, real nice.
Oh man, nothing like heating up the coveralls. We'll get these pieces cut. We're gonna go stick them up in the chicken coop. We should build chickens. Now we gotta go work on the goats. We gotta get straw, fresh dry straw in their bedding area. We should be done. Check back in a bit. Woo! It's getting crazy in here. I didn't realize they had such a gap right there. Excuse me, miss. Can you tell me about your experience here in the Hotel Sunnyslope? Manager? Jeez. Hey, she wants to speak to a manager, Wyatt.
How's it goes?
How it goes. Well, you know who the manager is? That'd be Gunter.
Last time we had, I might eat one.
Yeah, she still works too. Girls need to get outside and enjoy life. I bet those mouse got eaten.
I'm sure they did.
Yep. Chickens do. They eat mice. We've done everything we can for these guys. Now we gotta go take care of goats. You think if we call them, they'll come? Maybe. You're having way too much fun. Whew. It's deep.
About a foot.
About a foot.
Most of it's gone.
It's been a long time since we've gotten snow. That's for sure. Your water doing okay, or is it froze over? Ooh. It's getting there. As long as it stays open for them. Don't worry about smashing it down, I guess, but
Like that, they thick.
it wasn't like that this morning. Oh, look. What's going on, guys?
Sorry, I'm hungry.
You guys looking fluffy. That's their first time out today. I wonder if they're still feeding them. Yep. They never came out and ate the other night. We need to get a bale of straw out. Holy smokes, look at our roof.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot of weight. We'll get some straw out and give them some fresh bedding. Yeah, they didn't come out to eat at all last night. Oh yeah, you guys cold, huh? That's one thing about these goats, they gotta eat food. They gotta have constant food, burn calories. That's what makes them warm. Keeps them going. So you might have to feed your goats a little extra in winter during this time. We definitely do. Are they drifted inside the snow house or in the goat house with snow?
There's snow back there and snow up here.
All right. Yeah, they're getting some wind. Ugh. This is where they do all their bedding. What the hell? There's a damn bird up there. Hope it didn't shit on me.
Did it?
No, I just felt something hit me. It was a bird flying out. Oh, he gone. He flew away.
Get it there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh. We'll let him hang out. He ain't hurt nobody. Alright. We gotta block this window. This ain't doing them no good. I'd sleep in that too. That looks pretty comfy. But yeah, we definitely gotta get that blocked up.